Hazrat Sulaiman bin Yasar narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu telling me said, on the day of sacrifice, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had mounted Hazrat Fazl bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu behind him on the mount. And Fadl was a handsome man. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up to tell the people the precept of different things. And a comely woman belonging to the tribe Khatham came to him in order to ask any question. So Hazrat Fazl started looking at her and he was entrapped by her beauty. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam paid the attention to the woman, Hazrat Fazl was still looking at her. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took his hand back and holding Hazrat Fazl's chin, turned his face to the other direction so that he might not gaze upon her. That woman submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made Hajj obligatory for his bondsmen, but my father has grown extremely old and cannot sit firm on a mount. So can I perform Hajj on his behalf? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6228.